Hi, I am Kyle, and today I will present on behalf of Imane and Kevin. You most likely have already watched the Zara video by Simon and Elias. Great video, by the way. To avoid repeating what was already mentioned there, we will build up on it with new and interesting information. Our video might not be as fancy, but it is honest work. If you are ready, let's go. As you might already know, Zara is a key player in the fast fashion retail industry. It got to this position thanks to its approach towards data analytics. For years, Zara has managed to stay ahead of its major competitors, H&M, Uniqlo, and Gap. The pandemic has, of course, had a major impact on the company's sales. Yet Zara has displayed an impressive recovery. In the third quarter, Zara already exceeded their pre-pandemic sales by more than 10%, while competitor H&M had barely gone to matching their previous sales. Behind these impressive numbers is a revolution in the world of fashion, spearheaded by Zara itself. Zara is leveraging data analytics to change the approach towards supply chain management and inventory. Traditionally, retailers did not capitalize on big data for their predictions and instead relied on industry experts' opinions. Retailers mainly focused on minimizing cost through building economies of scale and outsourcing manufacturing in low-cost countries like China and Bangladesh. This, however, involved some major drawbacks in terms of stock. Popular products were quickly sold out, while models that didn't sell as well would result in large inventories that had to be sold with thinner margins. Retailers had some room for restocking. But because of the long cycle time from order to distribution, the ability to adapt to demand was quite limited. Unlike the traditional approach focused on minimizing costs through outsourcing and bulk orders, Zara wants to be adaptive and flexible to customer preferences by reducing the time to market. The company achieves this through small data driven market cycles. The key to this process is Zara's constant monitoring of demand through different channels. Zara collects data from surveys, social media, and sales data and analyzes each SKU sales against supply. Zara does even more. It analyzes performance of features of different SKU. For example, it might identify that pants with patches sell better than pants without patches, or that certain colors or fits move faster than others. Zara then uses these insights to guide their following orders. It will design and manufacture models that have the most popular features to satisfy demand. Swiftly acting on these insights is enabled by short cycle, small batch manufacturing. Instead of in the Far East, Zara manufactures about half of its merchandise in company owned facilities in Spain and Portugal, reducing the time to market from a few months to a few weeks. While this might be a more expensive production process, it also had major advantages. By better adhering to customer demand, Zara has to deal with lower amounts of inventory, which results in lower holding costs. The company also has less risk of ending up with leftover products that need to be sold with little to no margin. With this data driven approach, Zara is able to create more value for its customers. Zara gives customers the models they want when they want them. While in the traditional world, the most popular models are quickly out of stock and only the duds are available, in the world of fast fashion, supply is highly adaptive and caters to the evolving taste of the consumers. Customers know that items they buy at Zara are new and trendy. Also, customers know that batches are small, and if they don't buy the item they like now, it will soon be gone. Thus, they will be less likely to wait for end of season sales and will be more willing to pay full price. Now you've had a glimpse at how Zara manages to stay ahead of the competition, but we have much more to tell you. But for that, you'll have to wait till Wednesday. See you soon.